Welcome back to Net Cash Secret. Today, I'll show you how to make $100 daily using ChatGPT and Fiverr. Even without experience, I'll reveal the easiest services and how AI does 90% of the work. Fiverr is where people pay for services like writing, design, video editing, and voiceovers. Sign up free and sell services worldwide. ChatGPT helps create content, scripts, ideas, and gig descriptions fast. ChatGPT is your virtual assistant. Example, ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script. Here are 5 Fiverr services using ChatGPT. 1. YouTube script writing. ChatGPT writes scripts. 2. Blog posts and articles. AI creates SEO content. 3. Social media captions. 4. Email writing. Create professional emails. 5. Product descriptions. ChatGPT does all these, and clients pay $20 to $100.